Okay, we've got to order some numbers which involve fractions, involve decimals, and squaring them involves surds. That does not look particularly nice. Well, let's do our best. So, 20 over 3, we can write that as a mixed number. 3's into 20 goes 6, remainder 2, so it's 6 and 2/3, which is actually 6.6 recurrent. So I've got a really good one there. I've got it as a decimal. Um, let's do 2.5 squared next. So 25 times 25. You can do that by hand, and it's actually 625. And that means that 2.5 times 2.5 is 6.25. Good. So I've got a great comparison so far. I've just got to deal with this root 35. Well, we know what root 36 is, and that's equal to 6. So root 35 is going to be less than 6. And actually, that's enough. We don't need to make any other comparison. We can see it's going to be the smallest. So although we don't actually know the value, it's going to be the smallest. Root 35. I should write my original numbers down instead of what I've converted it to. This next one's going to be then 2.5 squared. Then I've got my 20 over 3, and finally 6.83. Okay, we could guess it, and maybe we could use educated guesses if we didn't quite realize what to do, but hopefully, you understand what I've talked about here, and this is how you can sort of do these kind of questions. Okay, now we've got a surds, and we're squaring it, and we're trying to write it in the form a plus b root 3. The key thing in this question is to remember, if we're squaring a double bracket, we actually have, squaring a bracket, we actually have a double bracket, like so. And then it's a case of multiplying out the double bracket, just remembering crab clause. So we're going to get 1 plus root 3 plus root 3. And then it's root 3 times root 3, which is actually 3. And if we combine the like terms, it's going to become 4. That's going to be my a. And then I've got 2 lots of root 3.